Wisconsin blowdry, the act of cutting on another face, then proceeding to dry the cup with farts.
Drake wanted off on the beats. I'm Drake. I wanted to get on this song, but I wouldn't let him because it's too much of a peak beat. Oh, you. I'll get you next time. Drake me out. To peak of the beat.
Oil and opium, rubbing all over my body. It's petroleum. Dude, that's flammable, bro. Wait, what? I'm gonna make you toast. What are you talking? No. Where's my eyelids? Where are my eyelids? My eyelids. Come on. 123. Air times. Yeah. I'm lactating. Too much of the frustrating. My calcium deposits are overflowing, and I'm trying to get my pockets growing. Milk, Milky Way. Milky Way, more like hard to say. Choose wisely, choose Wendy's.